Hi there, this is Dhaval and Asif here. We always get asked about FP&A Masterclass. What is FP&A Masterclass? So Asif and I have more than 2.5 decades of FP&A experience. So we thought, why not come together and build a course that will give you practical insights along with experiential learning. So that is where FP&A Masterclass comes into play.
Thanks, Dhaval. And I think I remember when we started this 2 years ago, we wanted to do this and we had two things in mind. One was that we wanted to build a curriculum that we thought should have been there while we were starting working in FP&A. So that was the thought. And the other thought was what would be the things that we would want to teach our somebody who's joining us in our team as FP&A analyst. So those were the two things that we had in mind before we started doing this 2 years back. And over the last 2 years, we have done over 9 batches and more than 200 students have taken this. And the curriculum has also evolved so much after taking all the feedback.
So the mission of FP&A Masterclass is simple. Elevate your FP&A skills within a short span of 4 weeks so that you can give confidently any interview, any sector in any FP&A role.
So what we'll do, Dhaval, is we'll quickly answer. I've received a lot of questions on the FP&A Masterclass. So I'll quickly pick up those questions and we will answer them so that it clarifies on what FP&A Masterclass is and what they can expect if they join the FP&A Masterclass. Okay. So the first question, most common question is that what does it cover? What are the modules? What are the topics? What is the duration? So that is the most common question.
So FP&A Masterclass spreads across 4 weeks, and every Saturday and Sunday we meet for 2 hours every day, and it covers 4 different modules. One is budgeting and forecasting, where we cover all the basics required for budgeting, forecasting, including theory, practical examples, discussions, scenarios, group discussions, all of those things. The second module is management reporting, where we cover all the basic types of management reports, different variety of management reports, month end, quarter end, flash report, and all the different stuff that are used by analysts to present management commentaries to the senior management.
The third module is on presentations and storytelling. So this is where we share how to prepare data-driven presentations and how to present it in a way that is clear and concise to especially senior management. That is module number 3.
The final module is about finance business partnering. How can finance professionals truly collaborate with the business? It is not just numbers. It is the way you can communicate the insights and influence the business teams is what matters. So that is what is covered in the final module, which is finance business partnering. Next question is, are there any prerequisites to join the FP&A Masterclass?
So there are no prerequisites to joining the FP&A Masterclass. It is designed for both beginners and experienced professionals who are looking to upgrade their FP&A skills.
Who is the FP&A Masterclass most suitable for?
So from our experience of doing this over the last 9 batches and over the last 1.5 years, what we have seen is it is most useful for people who are, if you are preparing for an FP&A interview, or if you are very serious about getting into an FP&A role, or if you have already got into an FP&A role, these are most common people who join our FP&A Masterclass.
Okay, next question, I'll take it. What if I miss a live class? Don't worry. If you miss any live classes, we will be providing the recordings to you. The recordings are usually uploaded within 24 to 48 hours of the live session.
Okay, the next question is, I want to enroll, but I cannot join live. Is it okay if I get in and watch the recordings?
Absolutely. While we would prefer you to join live so that you can take benefit of the group discussions and the case studies that we discuss live in the masterclass. However, if due to certain reason like a time zone or a work pressure, you're not able to join the live class, you can of course watch the recordings and gain the benefit of the learnings.
Awesome. So I'll take the next one. The next question I see is how long do I have access to the material? So you have permanent access to the material, so you will not lose access after a stipulated time. So be rest assured you will be having access to all the recordings and materials for lifetime.
Okay, the next question, I'll take this. Is the class theory or will you share practical examples? So FP&A Masterclass is 100% based on practical examples. We share a lot of real life case studies, group discussions, and scenario discussions or role plays in the class so that you can benefit the most out of our practical experience.
The next question I see on the screen is, can I download the class material and Excel files to practice? Yes, absolutely. You can download all the Excel files, class materials, slides, and we make sure that we provide you both blank and completed templates so you can compare how your performance is versus the expected performance in all those activities.
Okay, the next question is, sorry, what if I enroll and find out that this course is not for me? FP&A Masterclass is definitely a course that is created with a lot of experience. If you don't like the course, if you don't find the course valuable, we are happy to offer you a money back guarantee. FP&A Masterclass comes with a money back guarantee. If you join us for the first live module and you think it is not valuable for you and you don't like this at all, we will give you 100% refund, no questions asked.
Another common question I see is, will I get a certificate after completing the FP&A masterclass? So the answer is yes. If you attend the sessions live or if you complete the recordings, either of the two, once you do that and once we confirm that on the back end, you will receive the certificate for completion of FP&A masterclass.
Do I get any support after the FP&A masterclass batch concludes? Yes. After FP&A masterclass, we conduct what we call as mastermind calls. This is usually conducted on the last Saturday of every month, where Asif and I come live, take any questions that you might have and answer them. Also, sometimes we may bring in expert speakers or tool providers. Be in touch with the latest updates to help you with your FP&A career.
What is the difference between our FP&A Launchpad, the 8 weeks FP&A Launchpad, and the FP&A Masterclass?
Sure. The difference between 8 weeks FP&A Launchpad and FP&A Masterclass is that the Launchpad course is a self-paced course. So we have created it for people who are not able to join us live. About 60 to 70% of the content that we cover in the live masterclass is actually covered in the Launchpad course as well. Launchpad course also has a lot of examples, case studies, everything is discussed in the Launchpad course. However, the advantage of the live masterclass is that you get to ask the questions and answers to us live. Also participate in the group discussions and role plays that we conduct in a team environment through different meeting rooms on Zoom. The other advantage is that you also get access to our alumni jobs group, where we keep posting jobs and updates about the upcoming mastermind sessions. So you get all the latest updates in the alumni group as well.